Alright, a quick demo of the new features of coding with Chrome, in particular the AIY features. So if I launch coding with Chrome, you see a changelog we released at the 11th of February. There's a few things here that you could read, but of course I'll skip through it. AIY was already present, but here is what it looks like today. We added a lot of tutorials around this. We have a tutorial that runs, but it's fairly simple and does use the AIY hardware, but the LED, not the machine learning part. And then we have specific stuff for voice and vision kits, and just stuff that would work for everything. These demos were sourced just from the AIY repositories. Thank you, Dimitri. So let me show you the tutorial first. So what you see, what I see, what you can't see, is that the AIY just turned off the AIYDemo that runs default with the latest image. Then here's the tutorial screen, so you can just say, okay, what to do, so plug in, etc., etc. I'm not completely sure where our tutorial creator Adam got this from, but probably the AIY training somehow, or maybe his own stuff, I don't know. So this talks you a little bit through what we can do. So for example, the play button, and here's a show me, and you can see that we can run you through elements of the UI. And then the output will be there. Currently we haven't done anything with the AIY yet, but of course it is connected. And therefore also detected automatically. So here's an example that the tutorial loads. So the tutorial can load any, intermediate pieces of code, and this button over here, load example code, if you somehow destroy it and you're lost, then you can just click here to start over. And here's the final challenge. This one isn't quite interactive yet, we're working on that, but basically the example code, if I hit run, then in fact I will see the LED is now blue. Great. And you can see here blue, which is totally expected. So I hit stop, and you can turn it to green, and we all will know what will happen. So let me go back and do something slightly more advanced, which is the AIYDemo. Now I think the default, let me run it. So this just, preloads code that the AIY team created. So if I run this, and as you know, this might take a little while, but at some point you will hear the AIY go. All right. And now I will confirm that I'm not smiling. You might have even heard in the background that it was sad about that, but you can also see the actual video. And I won't dignify it with trying to smile. Okay, I smiled. Hey, great. And yes, it's turning a bit more green, a bit more yellow. So this all seems to work. And yeah, I hope that this shows that this is quite a good interface to making people get used to the AIY. And we can make this as serious or simple as needed. And we can definitely talk about further tutorials. We have full integration, well, full, but at least we have integration with Workbench. We can use Classroom for this, so there's a lot of opportunities for us to continue here.